Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to move a document in the Google Sheets app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Google Sheets app. And here, it opens up like this. From here, we just have to select the document that we want to move and tap on the three dots next to its name. Now scroll down, and here at the bottom we find the move. If we tap on this, then we can select the destination where we want to move the document to. We can even create a new folder in the top right corner to move it there. And after we have selected the place, then we can just tap on move and it's going to be moved there. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.